What's up guys, welcome to Tommy RC. Today I'm going to show you the Rochobby's new quarters. Now let's unbox it. Look at it, it's a Dodge car. Now this is 1/10 endless 4x4, and this is the stickers, and this is the manual. Look at it. It's a Dodge semi-truck, the prototype, and it has 3 colors: the red, yellow, and blue. Now mine is yellow. Let's show you. Look at the big foam box. Just as the other 1/10 FMS, aka Rochobby's quarters. This must be the back tires. Wow. Transmitters. Nothing else. Let's look at it. This is a soft body, not the hard bodies and famous before. Let's look at the chassis. I think it's the same as the former 1/10 FMS quarters. Let's open it. Oh, so easy to open the bodies. Now this is a 550 35-chain brush motors. Look at this. Oh, this is a battery switch, so this is a front weight quarters. I think it has a better performance than the former FMS. Let's look at its tails. The diameter is 120. Look at the textures of the wheels, the tails. It looks like the Prolines Hyrax G8 Hyrax textures. So maybe it has the similar performance as the Hyrax tails. I will test it. Now this is a cage, it's a nylon cage, and you can put some things in the trunk. So I think the back tires, it really didn't put it. Back tires. By the way, this is the bigger version of the FMS 120. All the Dodge prototype. There's a lot of details of the bodies. Look at the big chrome headlights, and even the handles, and even the wipers, the rear mirrors, and the exhaust. And even the front bumpers, you can see there is a real metals, not the metals textures, the real metals.